Have you ever wished you could step into the mind of an artist? Experience them as they enter their flow. To mark International Women's Day, we take that step with producer and musician HAAi. With the help of neuroscience, we've been able to record her brainwave activity while she's deep in performance.
Times and questions, so am I. 1,000 clocks upon the horizon. Times and questions, so is she.
We invite you to experience something truly remarkable. In real time, we've decoded her brainwaves, translating them into a new language. A language of light, motion, and colour. Enter her flow state.